Hey guys, thanks for joining in. So today I'm going to be talking about 4 mods I would be doing first if I had to redo my 4Runner again. As you can see, I've done quite a bit of work on my 4Runner, but if I was to do this again, here are the 4 things I would do first. First, I would upgrade tires. So even a stock 4Runner is very capable off-road. With all-terrain tires and quad control and multi-terrain, you're going to be able to do a lot. So that's the first thing I would do first. And in addition to the tires, if you're able to afford it, I would also change out the wheels. The wheels are not going to be an upgrade that I'm going to be doing as far as the 4 things, but if you're going to be doing it at the same time, it's going to save you a lot of money because you're going to have any type of mounting and balancing, that's all taken care of. So that's number 1. Number 2 is going to be suspension. So suspension is actually a very expensive upgrade, but trust me, it's definitely an upgrade that you would want to do if you're going to be having your 4Runner long term. I went with King's 2.5s, and I can tell you right now that it's completely changed the way that my vehicle drives. I would save up. I would definitely do the suspension next. Third thing I would do is get yourself some good sliders. The last thing you want to do when you're on a trail is to hit a big rock and damage your frame. So I would definitely recommend getting a good slider, not one of those steps that you can get like the Nerf bar, but actually getting a legit slider from a decent company. You're going to be able to protect your investments. That's definitely the next upgrade that I would do. Now for the 4th upgrade that I would recommend is to get yourself a roof rack. It's not necessity, but a roof rack does come in handy. It actually also opens the door into a lot of off-roading things that you can do to your vehicle. For example, you can have a privacy tent. You can have an awning for on those sunny days. You can carry your fuel. You can carry lights to view the front, the side, and even the back of the vehicle. Or like me, and have a rooftop tent. There are several options to mount the rooftop tent, but having a secure roof rack, like the Gobi rack that I'm using, is definitely nice to have. So those are the 4 things that I would recommend if I was to do the modifications on my vehicle again. Let me know if you agree or disagree. You know, there's no right or wrong answer, but those are the 4 things that I would suggest and I would recommend. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment. Make sure you guys hit subscribe. Thanks for tuning in again.